All right. Harlem. Oh, yeah. You know what time it is right now. Ladies and gents. We're going to take it back to Harlem. Rockers Park. Yeah. You know what time it is. We're New York at. Let's get it. Hey. 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 Ladies. Fellas, grab you a lady. Let's go.
Everything that we want to. Meanwhile, are we losing? Because we want to let go. And yeah, let's start thinking.
Welcome to your weekend. Welcome to your weekend. It's Friday. Let's go. You done got off that Babylon job. Oh. It's time to release some of that stress, y'all. We gonna let it go for the weekend. Let's go. You got 2 days to church. Let's go. You got 2 days, so you gotta go to church. Let's go. Oh shit. My niggas in the building, what's going on? Shout out to my boo, Nelly, what's good, baby? Oh shit, it's so good to see you. I'm so happy to see you, baby. Hey, welcome to New York. This is what it feels like to be in New York. Come on, 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 yeah. Ladies, hey. Hey, 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 it's a block party. Oh. Shout out to my baby, Nelly in the building. What's up, Queen? What's poppin'? Very nice, it's very nice. What? You know what time it is? Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much. Let's take this shit day by day, you heard? Let's take it day by day, baby. Oh, oh. Oh, let's take it day by day, baby. I feel you. Ooh, I feel the hearts in the building. Put the hearts in the building. Hey. Hey. Wow, it's surviving here right now. Oh. Oh. If you come from the bottom and you ain't let nobody stop you, if you come from the bottom and you refuse to let anybody stop you, let's go. Ladies, you looking sexy in the building. I see you. Come on. Shout out to everybody in the queue. We see you. We know you trying to get in the club. If you standing in line in the queue, I want you to know we love you, baby. Like I said, right now, it's a New York party right now. Shout out to everybody in the building for that. No matter where you at, no matter where you calling from, no matter where you coming in. Shout out to everybody in the queue. You feel me? We see you, baby. We see you in the line. Hey, yo, listen. It's the weekend. Let the week off like this. Get you a drink, baby. Ladies, how y'all feeling tonight? You ready to go get dressed? Oh, you ready to let go of the week? Let's go. Where my ladies at? It's grown and sexy. Where Brooklyn at? Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. Hey! Oh shit, I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. Hey, I'm here before you, nigga. I'm pre-partying, nigga. I've been here. You need to get there, nigga. I'm already like, I wanna know what's on your mind. I'm curious. What? I'm curious. I wanna know what's your mind. I'm curious. I'm curious. I wanna know what's your mind. Let's go, ladies. Hey, hey, ladies. If you doing a two-step in your mind, I hope you're getting all the good vibes. I see y'all dancing, ladies. I see your sexy dresses on. Hey, go get you a drink. Don't forget to tip the bartenders. Let's go. Ho, ho, hey. Let's go! Oh, you thought I forgot about you? I didn't forget about you. I was just trying to see what you was gonna do. I just wanted to know. I was watching you. But this shot's for you, baby. You gotta make eye contact. That's why Michael Jackson did that. He was taking a shot. Oh, that's why Michael Jackson did that. He was taking a shot. He was kind of like withdrawn. Aziza! I just called her! I just called Aziza! Oh! For real? Did you tell her I called her?
I told her I was calling her too.
What'd she say?
She was like, you gotta call me. I said, we did.
Oh, Goddess Aziza, come to us.
Oh.
She won't come to us for some reason. It's something blocking her. I text her.
She was looking so beautiful too.
Oh, was she beautiful? She's so gorgeous. Oh, I know she looks so good. Oh, did you touch her?
Yeah.
With what hand? You gave her a hug? Give me a hug. Oh. You gave her one too? Give me a hug. Oh my God. Aziza! We miss you, Aziza. Goddess Aziza, come to us now. I demand you. Goddess Aziza, come upon us now. I call upon your spirit. Oh, y'all thought I disrespected all women? No! I only disrespect the mud ducks. I respect the queen, the goddesses. Oh, they deserve it. They earned it. They get it. And they're the only ones that get it. The rest of y'all niggas get blah. What? The rest of y'all niggas get nothing from me. You gotta earn my respect. Period. I can't respect all y'all niggas. I respect the real niggas. The real motherfuckers. Yeah. If you one of them soldiers, salute to you, goddess. We respect you. But if you not, don't come talking to me. Yeah. But if you a goddess, we respect you, we bow to you, we worship you. What? It's levels to this shit, young boy. It's levels to this shit, young boy. Y'all don't all get respect. Y'all bitches is regular, degular bitches. You not a goddess. You not a queen. You not a goddess. You not a queen. You not on that status shit. Word up on my real niggas in the building. Right now. I need you to put a one in the air. Right now. All my real niggas, come on. And unity right now. We need to put a one in the building for all the real niggas in the building. All the real motherfuckers in the building. Rah! You heard? Rah! Rah! Where my real niggas at? It's grown and sexy still. Let's go, ladies. Shout out to R. Kelly. Free R. Kelly. Let's go. Free R. Kelly. Let's go. Free the black man. Free the black man. Free the black man. Free the black woman. Free the black woman. Free the black woman. Free the black woman. Free the black family. From the binds and the chains of our mind. What? We want to be free. We want to be free. Why y'all want me to be fake with y'all? I gotta be me. I can't be nothing but me. Why y'all want me to be fake? I can't do it. I'm sorry, I'm human. I'm human. I'm just human. Oh shit, I'm human. What? I just want to be free to be a human. Can I be a human being? Y'all made me. You made me. What the fuck? You made me to be me. Why you mad at me? Because I'm being me. I'm being me. I'm free. Am I not free to be me? Why are you mad that I'm being me? Am I not free to be me? You made me. You made me. I'm your demon. You made me because you didn't love me. You should have loved me. You made me because you didn't love me. I'm your demon. All we need is love. But you won't love me. So I'm your demon because you won't love me. You made me. I'm everything you're not. But you made me. I didn't ask to be made. You the one that want to be all good and shit. You made me. You the one that want to be all goody two-shoes. You want to be all good and shit, and I gotta be bad because you're good. Motherfucker. You made me, and I made you. If it wasn't for me, there would be no you. I need you. But I'm gonna be free regardless. I'm gonna be free. Woo! You can't contain me. I'm gonna break free. I'm gonna break free of your fucking rules. Fuck your rules. Fuck your boundaries, nigga. I'm free of your boundaries. I love, nigga. What? I love. You can't fucking judge me, bitch. Cause I love. Cause I love. You made me. Deal with it. Get real with it. Yes. What? I'm vibrating. I'm a fucking vibration, nigga. What? Feel me and all of me. Every cell of me. You think you looking at me like I'm not free. I'm free. I'm me. It's trillions of me right here standing in front of you. Can't you see me? Can't you see me? Well, bitch, where's the love? Huh? What? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where